Introducing Inventory Planner, the ultimate app for Shopify merchants to streamline inventory management and forecasting. View sales reports and forecast reorder quantities to never miss a sale. Create purchase orders and manage inventory transfers effortlessly. Eliminate stockouts and overstock with precise inventory forecasting using historical sales and current stock data. Our app collects data to plan exactly when and how much to reorder. Print or export reorder reports in Excel or send directly to Shopify. Use our Chrome plugin to auto-fill quantities in Shopify Admin. Transfer inventory between Shopify locations smoothly by scanning and picking products. View sales velocity and historical data by product, variant, vendor, or type.